Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Put the watch snugly above your wrist bone so sensors sit flat. Open the Heart app or tap the heart complication to begin. This activates the optical sensor. Make sure wrist detection is on and Bluetooth is connected to your iPhone, otherwise readings won't sync. Once done, sit still for 30 seconds to let the watch stabilize its baseline. This immediate setup gets a reliable resting heart rate measurement before you move into active monitoring. Start a workout in the Workout app to capture continuous heart rate. You'll get steady samples rather than sporadic checks. Choose the most similar activity type, so algorithms estimate calories and zones correctly, because different workouts change sensor algorithms. Make sure background, app refresh, and location services are allowed for the Watch app on your iPhone so data flows continuously and GPS-linked metrics are accurate. While moving, glance at the watch to confirm beats per minute. When you finish, end the workout on the watch to save the session and push heart rate data to Health on your iPhone. Then review trends in the Health app to understand averages and peaks. This helps you adjust training or recovery. If readings look wrong, clean the back crystal, reseat the watch tighter, and try again. If problems persist, restart both devices to reset sensors and Bluetooth. If it still fails, contact Apple support, but most issues resolve after cleaning and repairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.